weather with Shelbi Schauble.
Hello everyone, happy Wednesday and morning before Thanksgiving as well. We are freezing outside this morning. The cloud cover will begin to increase as well, but it will be a drier Thanksgiving for us, which will be nice, but we will be below that seasonal average. Okay, the sun's coming in from our Wesco Home Furnishings Tower Cam. Beautiful view for us this morning. It is going to be a drier day, but if you have to do some last minute shopping this morning, you do want to have that coat on you and send the kids off to school with one as well, unless some of the kids are already off for fall break. We are seeing some temperatures in the 30s and it is feeling like the 20s. 33 degrees in Joplin right now, 34 in Bentonville, and also 32 in Stockton. Fremont First Alert Doppler showing we are nice and dry for the most part. And yes, it is very cold outside. These are what it feels like outside when the winds are coming in. We're seeing some sustained winds between about 5 to 10 miles an hour, give or take, but these gusts are going to increase. We're seeing a northwesterly flow aloft today, and these gusts will get close to 20 miles an hour. Some areas could see a little bit stronger gusts than that on the isolated side, but it is going to be a breezier day for us before we start to calm down into our evening, and then we might see a little bit of return of those gusts going into tomorrow afternoon. But the morning is going to be a bit more pleasant as we get into our morning tomorrow. And we're going to see some gusts close to about 10 to 15 miles an hour going into our afternoon. But off to our west, we are seeing some of that high pressure. It is going to be drier off in that direction, but we're going to see some troughing slowly make its way to us going into our weekend. As we have some future rain and snow chances possibly, yes, going into especially Monday. We're going to see this pressure gradient tighten. As it does, that is going to deliver us some of those gusts as we get into tomorrow. We're going to see a little bit of that cloud cover last throughout the morning, and then shifting into, I'd say, Thursday evening will still be dry. We'll see a cold front remain off to our far northwest, and then we're going to see this warm front through the region that is going to deliver us more of that moisture to fuel some of those showers that are expected as we get into our weekend. Starting Friday evening is when we're set to right now see some rain return. But going into the next several days, so we are already below average for today, then carrying off into our weekend. Look at this huge drop. Now Sunday and Monday, those temperatures are very close to freezing, around 32 degrees. So that's when we're keeping it out for the chance to see some possible rain and a mix of rain and snow as well. And over the next 6 to 10 days, our trend is just tracking that. We're going to be quite below that seasonal average, and that'll carry into the next 2 weeks likely as well. We might remain on the colder side as we transition later on into next month into winter. But we are seeing over the next 6 to 10 days, rain is expected to last as well. And we could use that rain as we are still experiencing some drought conditions across the 4 states. But our highs are going to be on the cooler side today. We are going to remain in the 40s, around 46 degrees in Joplin, 48 in Miami, and also 44 in Monette before we start to drop into the 30s for our evening to make for some freezing lows for us. So if you have to do some very late last minute shopping this evening, you definitely want to bundle up as we will be cold this evening as well. Now here's a look at your KSN forecast from your local weather authority. We are going to see highs today in the 40s. Increasing cloud cover should be coming in as well throughout our day. Some breezes here and there as well, but with the cooler temperatures today, it might make it feel a little bit colder than what we're seeing for our highs in this evening. 32 degrees exactly at freezing for that low, so definitely want to bundle up. We'll see cloudy conditions as well, and we have some more rain chances on the way. But as far as Thanksgiving